Welcome to this Magento tutorial from Optimize Web. My name is Sid. This is part 2 of the 3-part Magento category management tutorial. In this part, I will start creating categories and talk about the best practices to follow when naming, renaming, editing, and deleting categories. The category name is displayed in a number of places on your website. For example, in Puji.com, the category name is shown on the navigational menu, breadcrumb trail, and as a heading on the category page. The category URL key is closely linked to the category name. It represents the human readable URL that you see in the address bar of your web browser. By default, Magento will strip down your category name, replace spaces with dashes, and create your category's URL key. You can choose to customize the URL key for your category by typing a suitable URL key into the URL key field. The name and the URL key hold the highest level of importance when it comes to search engine optimization for your category pages. So keep it short and sweet. Do not fill the URL key with all your keywords. That will most likely get your website marked as spam. If you are editing and decide to rename a category, remember to rename the category's URL key as well. Best is to delete the contents of the URL key field and leave it blank. Changing the category name and leaving the URL key unchanged could cause confusion. Magento will ask you if you wish to create a permanent redirect for your old category URL. Leave this option ticked on unless you know what you're doing. By leaving the redirect option ticked on, Magento will create a permanent redirect to automatically forward all traffic coming into the old URL to the new URL. Untick this option if the new name has nothing to do with the old name or URL. For example, untick the redirect option if you renamed a category called shoes to watches. You do not want Google or your visitors who clicked on the old shoes link to land on the new watches category. Moving on, to enable or disable a category, use the isActive switch. The thumbnail image, description, and image all depend on your category page layout. Check with your developer or designer to find out how to use them. In the example from Puji.com, this is the category image, the description goes here, and this is the thumbnail of a subcategory. Category thumbnails and images might not be set to auto resize, so make sure you resize and optimize the images before uploading them. When updating category images, Magento does not delete the old image. To keep the category images folder tidy and save some hosting space, please tick the delete image box when updating category images. The SEO page title and description are used to display your search results in Google, so keep them relevant to the category. Writing meaningless and keyword jammed SEO information will surely get your website marked as spam. If you do not wish to see your categories link in the auto-generated category navigation, set the Include in Navigation menu switch to No. To save the category, click on the Save Category button. You will notice the newly created category along the left column and it is pre-selected for you. To edit a category, select it from the left column to see the category load up in the main column. You can edit the information and press the Save Category button to save the changes, or press the Delete Category button to delete the category. To add a subcategory under the chosen category, select the category and then press the Add Subcategory button. You know how the rest works. You can also reorder your categories by dragging them using your mouse. It is pretty simple and easy to reorder them. This ends the second part of this tutorial series. Please continue to watch the last part where we will be adding products to the categories and also look at the other tabs under the category form. Thank you.